Okay, I think we're recording. The GoPro is still giving me grief and I don't really like it, but whatever. I spent like $400 on it, so I better learn to love it. I'm sitting at Lake Nokomis, just parked. I found a new launch spot. Oh, so did some other people. Do you see them? He's got some nice wheels to haul his. I just use my big muscles. Anyway, a new launch point. It's pretty windy today, 15-mile-per-hour winds, and you know what though, I'm ready for an adventure. And I've got my anchor, I've got my PFD, I've got my my positive attitude, and I'm ready for it. And I also have been watching YouTube videos on how to paddle properly, so I want to try out all my new techniques. Okay, so here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, got all the stuff out. Just give you a little tour of my items here. I'll keep it quick. I rock dry bags that say they're waterproof, but they really are not, and my things do get soaked inside them, so I don't recommend. This leash I bought on Amazon because it was really cute color, and it's not a coil. I do not like the coil leash. This is my iRocker carrying strap, which also is kind of pointless. It doesn't really fit my arms or something. I don't know. I don't know if it really helps. My paddle, which is in 3 parts. I'll put that together. The pump, a super cute bag at Target that I had to just buy today, and it's awesome. And then the board that is deflated right now, and I'll be inflating it right now. So here we go. Okay, board is set up. I've got my PFD on. My bag is gonna go with me on the board, and it's all pumped up, ready to go. We just need to transport it right over there. Not far at all. And all right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, leash is gonna. All right, we're almost ready here. Almost ready. Just shove this in there so it doesn't move around. It's very windy. I'm a little nervous. Not gonna lie. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm going. He better slow down. Oh, you know what I don't have? Crap. My fins. Hold on. Where are they? Because they should. Here they are. Okay. Now. I also forgot my anchor. Yeah, these shoes are coming off. Definitely no. So, one more trip to the car. This is called the learning process of, suppose I can look at you. This is called the learning process, where I forget a million bazillion things, and I figure out my systems, and I figure out what I need to pack and in what bags, so that I don't forget things. And then I still forget things. All right, here we go. And I did bring another battery today, so yay, a view, anchored right now. I've really just been hanging out because it's so windy. I'm curious to see what this will even sound like on the recording. Can you hear the wind? Look how beautiful it is though. But I wanted to give you today's board tour. Board tour. That sounds funny. Okay, if my battery dies, I will come back, I promise. Okay, so let's just turn this around. Front of the board today. Here's today's gear. We have, starting right here, my new PDF. Just kidding, it's a PFD. And this is a waist pack one, which should be on my waist right now, but I was doing down dogs and it was in the way. So I'll put that back on in a moment. Then we've got my fanny pack, which also should be on my waist, but it's not. It has my phone and my keys and things that are really important, so it probably should be strapped down somehow, but it's not. My wooden spoon. I thought I'd cook today on the pack. All right, back in action. Battery is green. Full power. Where were we in our tour? Was I showing you my wooden spoon? You know, in case we need to, you know, cook things. Actually, what I really used it for is I used it to roll up my anchor. I think I already told you this in the other one. My speaker, it's not on right now because I'm filming a video. My anchor bag, one of my GoPro mounts, and look at this invention. This is brilliant. If you are a water person of any kind, boating, paddleboarding, maybe kayak, I don't really know about kayak. Look at this. Okay, so it's this little teeny ring thing. It's just fabric. You just put it on the bottom of your water bottle, and you literally just plop, and it is stuck there. Stuck. That's not going anywhere. So like I need a drink, I just take it off, done, set it down. It's called a little sucker. Do you see the name there? Little sucker. And you can buy them on Amazon really cheap. And they're really awesome. I have 2 of them. Unfortunately, I don't have any water left because I already drank it all and I'm really thirsty. Hope I don't die at sea. Okay, back of the boat. Let's go to the back here without falling in. Oh god. Here we go. Okay, back of the boat. Rocking the boat. Here we go. Ow. Leash, which also should be attached to my ankle right now, but it's not. I like to live life on the edge, as you can tell. My new sandals, which are really horrible, and they gave me bad blisters, so I probably won't wear them ever again. My iRocker dry bags, which suck, and they get everything wet. They really do. I actually need to return them. Where's my screen? This happened last time. I know I'm still there. My carrying strap, which also is kind of pointless. I'll probably won't use that ever again either. And extra clothing under here. And that's about it. Back of the board, lake. Here are some views for you. I'm gonna get up and paddle in a little bit here because I've been very lazy and I've just been sitting here soaking up the sun like this. Yes. And people are probably looking at me like, what is she doing? I did do some warrior and it went really well. Even in the wind, I was doing some awesome single leg down dogs into knee pulls, side knee pulls, planks. And there was a lot of rocky waves when I was doing those things, so I was really proud of myself. And I hope that the stupid GoPro caught some of it, but I never know what the GoPro is doing. It just has a mind of its own.